Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to if you're new. And on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this look, giving you a little bit of hair update and lots of chit chat. So yeah, stay tuned. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to if you're new. I am Crowned and on this channel I share about all my natural hair journey. If you saw my previous video, I did this amazing Brazilian wool bob French twist. These ones. And yeah, these are the ones that I have been rocking the whole of this week. And now the next week I'm gonna be rocking it for 2 weeks, but I update you guys weekly. So this is midweek for my hair. Next week you're getting a new protective style video. So that means I'll basically just do a new hairstyle this week. So before I undo this one, I just wanted to let you guys in on my hair journey, update you and style my hair with me because I am going outside, and as you have seen, my hair is not, well, it's a week old, and yeah, I want to go somewhere and I need to make it a little bit presentable, so hence this video. So welcome and stay tuned. So I have already done my makeup, well, and I'm going to be using this scarf. I love this scarf, guys. So the most frequent question I get is what made me start doing my own hair. And yeah, so I started doing my own hair in campus because, like, you know, in campus you're broke and you gotta look cute, so you have to do your own hair. So that is exactly where I started doing my own hair, and that is how I just basically learned a lot about doing my hair and the basics, really. Then I just did like protective hairstyles. Now is when I'm really taking care of my hair and I see it thrive and I love it for me. Alright, so my hair is actually 4C. It is 4C, very coily, lots of shrinkage, typical Kenyan girl hair. Yeah. So the biggest lesson I have learned throughout taking care of my hair is that when you look good, you feel good. Yeah, basically that is the biggest lesson I have learned. I would want any girl who's seeing this. Lately my videos have 3 views, so I'm guessing it's just 3 people. So you 3 guys who are watching this, the biggest thing I have learned is that when you feel good, you look good, you feel good. So just try and take 3 minutes of the day to look good so you can feel good and just basically have a nice day. Oh, and the biggest mistake I used to make on my hair journey was to basically use heat a lot on my hair. Like Kenyans, we love blow drying our hair. We love it in that stretched state. And let me tell you, if you didn't know, your hair's natural state is not when it's stretched. It is actually when it has shrunk. That is when it is most flexible, most healthy, and most easy to manipulate a little bit, yeah. So I used to like to put my hair straight because I liked the illusion of having long hair when you know you really don't. Your hair is the length it is, and basically you just have to love your hair the way it is. That is a big part of you loving yourself as a person, and that is what I would want you to take away from this video. If not, that I'm not a pro in making scarves or tying my hair. So normally I do not tie my hair, but you saw the state of my hair, so yeah. So I'm going somewhere. Thinking, well, how my hair journey has affected my confidence is that the more I love my hair, it's just like enlightens me to just love myself more. You know, the more you love your hair, that means you just appreciate yourself fully, wholly the way you are, because your hair is something, unfortunately, you cannot really change. So yeah, so the more you go, the more I take care of my hair, the more I am giving back to myself, the more I am falling in love with myself, and I am loving it. Oh my god. Yeah, I feel like I have covered it nicely. There's this part that's so great. Alright guys, this is it. This is how I am rocking my hair. So I have this black tie. I'm gonna put on a denim jacket. I have these big earrings, and this is my hair. Yeah. No one can know what's inside of this scarf unless they watch my channel. So if you've watched up to this point, wow, thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I love making these videos, and that is why I just do them every week. It's because I love it. And but I felt like I did not have content. Oh my god, I'm being too vulnerable. I felt like I did not have content, but anything and everything is content, and I wanna show up here weekly. So since you know I was not undoing my hair or putting a really protective style, I would not be filming anything. So here I am. So you will get more of this, because 2026 is my year of consistency. Tell me what you think about my style. I love it because I'm rocking it. You see. Yeah, I think I did a good job. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment and share. And like, if you watched up to this point, just subscribe. You're in the family. I love you so much. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.